my channel guys. I am Snehal and I make videos on fashion, lifestyle and beauty. Happy Diwali to you all and happy festivities guys. So today's video is going to be very quick and very easy. This is a quick and easy glam makeup tutorial for this Diwali season. You all wanted me to create a very quick glam easy makeup look and using drugstore products. So in today's video I have only used drugstore products to create this look. So if that interests you guys, please stay tuned till the end and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button for this video as well. And without any further ado, let's just jump into the video and let's get started. So let's begin guys. So I have already prepped my skin. So today I am going to be using Maybelline's Fit Me foundation and I am in the shade 310 Sun Beige. So I'm just going to take a little bit of that foundation and dot it all over my face as usual. So I'm just going to dot it all over my face. And I'm just going to blend it out using a beauty blender. This is such a lightweight foundation and it's easily available everywhere. So one of my most favorite foundations. It's a medium coverage foundation and suits all skin types. I will leave the links of all the products in the description box down below as usual, so you can check out the products if you want to buy any of these. You see, it is giving such a natural finish, like it's just my skin but better. So it has taken care of all my blemishes or acne spots and it is looking very even toned. My skin is looking even toned, so just love this foundation. Next I'm going to use LA Girls Pro Conceal Concealer in the shade Pure Beige and I'm just going to put it in the inner corner of my eyes, in the outer corner of my eye, on my high points and some on my eyelids also. And just going to blend it out using Beauty Blender. Next I'm going to take a Fit Me compact. It's in the shade 310 and I'm just going to pack the concealer. So I'm going to take a flat brush like this, a fluffy one, and I'm just going to press it wherever I have applied concealer. I am pressing it, I'm not dragging the brush, so the concealer sets well and it doesn't crease. Now I'm going to take a big fluffy brush, powder brush, and I'm going to dig into this compact and I'm just going to set the rest of my face. Just make sure you are applying very little product because it is already winter and your skin must be dry, so you don't need to use too much of powder. So go in with a very little product. Now I'm going to bronze up my face. Today I'm going to be using Maybelline's Master Contour Palette and the bronzer shade in this. So I'm just going to dig into this shade and I'm just going to bronze up my face a little bit on the temples, on the hollows of my face. Make sure you're blending it nicely so it doesn't look edgy and it looks all flawless and smooth. Same I'm going to repeat on this side. This is a very nice natural color bronzer. Suits dusky skin tone very well. I'm just going to take the same bronzer and sharpen my nose a bit. Just give shape to my nose. Next I'm going to take Sivana Colors blush palette. I'm obsessed with this palette. It is so highly pigmented, so I am just going to dig into this shade right here and I'm going to dust the extra product. You see that pigment? I just love this blush palette. Next I am going to use the blush shade only as my eyeshadow base, so I am just going to pick up the same shade using a fluffy brush and just put it all over my eyelids. we are going to keep the eyes very simple. This is such an easy look and so glamorous. You all can achieve it, guys, so definitely give this a try. You can in fact just use your fingers to apply the eyeshadow like this. I'm just going to bring the little bit of color on the lower lash line as well, so it looks complete. I'm going to dig into this bronzer shade that we had used from this Master Contour palette, and I'm just going to add it on the outer corner of my eyes just to give a little bit of depth to my eyes. So to complete the eye look, I am going to use a liquid eyeshadow today, and I'm going to use Swiss Beauty's liquid eyeshadow. This is such an amazing product, guys, and so affordable. This is just for 199 rupees and it is always on discount, some discount on Nykaa, so you can check out Nykaa if you want to buy this product. So this is in the shade Champagne 03 and it is such a beautiful product. It comes with the applicator like this, so I'm directly going to apply it on my eyes. So you just apply it like that and spread it using your fingers. So I have applied it, so I'm just going to use my ring finger to spread it out. Even if you are a beginner and you don't know how to blend eyeshadows, this is the look that you can pull off this Diwali season, this festive season, and for weddings and whenever you want to look glam. This is such an easy look to pull off. Now I'm again going to take a fluffy brush and take that blush shade, and I'm just going to put it, I'm just going to add the shade and blend both the things together so it looks very nice and flawless. This does have a fallout, a little bit of fallout that you can clean later on once you have completed the eye look. So I'm just going to take a fan brush and clean any fallouts of that shimmer shadow. You can also use your powder brush to clean this. Next I'm going to put eyeliner. I'm using Maybelline's Colossal Liner and it's a beautiful one, very easy to apply. Next I'm going to use Maybelline's Falsies Push-Up Drama Mascara. This look is incomplete, or any look is incomplete without mascara, I feel. Never skip mascara. I'm quickly going to do my eyebrows. Today I'm going to use Nykaa's Brow on Point. This is microfine pencil and it's in the shade Wick and Wand. So it's a retractable one. This shade is a little light for me, but still I can work. So the eye makeup is done. Now I'm going to use the highlighter. I'm using Master Chrome highlighter by Maybelline and this is in the shade Molten Gold. It's a beautiful and very blinding highlighter. So I'm just going to dig into that highlighter. Look at that glow. It's so beautiful. And I'm just going to put it on the apple of my cheeks. You can go overboard with highlighter because it's a festive season, it's Diwali, and you want to look lit. So I love this, just beautiful. This is a very beautiful highlighter. Some on the bridge of my nose and forehead, on the cupid bow, and on the chin. I'm going to take a small pointy brush and I'm just going to add a little bit of highlighter in the inner corner of my eyes as well. And on the arch of my eyebrow. So time to add the lipstick now. Today also I am going to use the Maybelline Sensational Liquid Matte Lipstick, and it's in the shade Flush It Red. This has been my cult favorite to wear with Indian wear. I love to wear this shade. This is such a nice bright cherry red shade and this suits my complexion very well. So I just love this. To complete this look, I am just going to add a small bindi.